Hey everyone, want to use collections in Microsoft Edge? Collections help you save, organize, and manage web pages, images, notes, and other online content in one place. Whether you're researching, shopping, planning a trip, or working on a project, collections make it easy to keep everything organized. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use collections in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser opens, look for the collections icon on the toolbar. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the browser settings. Next, click the collections icon and choose Start New Collection. Give your collection a descriptive name like Vacation Plans, Research Project, or Shopping List so it's easy to recognize later. Now start adding content. You can add the current web page, drag and drop links into the collection, save images, or include text notes. Collections help keep everything related to your project together. As your collection grows, organize the items by dragging them into the order you prefer. You can rename entries, remove outdated items, and group related information together for easier access. If you're signed in with your Microsoft account and sync is enabled, your collections can be available on your other supported devices using Microsoft Edge. This makes it easy to continue your work wherever you are. Depending on the available options in your version of Microsoft Edge, you may be able to share, copy, or export information from your collections for use in other apps. This can make it easier to collaborate or reuse your research. For the best experience, create separate collections for different projects, remove outdated items regularly, add notes to important web pages, and enable sync so your collections stay available across your devices. These habits help keep your research organized and easy to find. And that's how to use collections in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're researching, shopping, planning, or organizing ideas, collections provide a simple way to keep everything together in one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.